Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. To the topic on which we are going to discuss is theorem 14.1.3. This theorem is also called an angle bisector theorem. Theory of this theorem is stated as the internal bisector of an angle of a triangle divide the side opposite to it in the ratio of the length of the sides containing the angle. Before starting the lecture, if you have not still subscribed my channel, so it is requested to subscribe my channel, like it, share it more and more so that every video will be reached on you. Let's start our lecture. In triangle ABC, internal angle bisector of angle A meets CB at the point D. This statement is related to given. Its given can also be written as angle CAD is equal to angle BAD or angle 1 is equal to angle 3. According to the theorem statement, we can easily find out its given and prove with the help of this equation. In a triangle ABC, if angle CAD is equal to angle BAD, then side BD divided by DC is equal to side AB divided by AC, where angle CAD is equal to angle BAD is its given. While side BD divided by side DC is equal to side AB divided by side AC is its proof. It can also be written as side BD ratio side DC is equal to side AB ratio side AC. After the given and proof, we discuss on its construction. Draw a line segment BE parallel to the side DA to meet CA produced at point E. Triangle CBE is formed. In triangle CBE, if side BE parallel to the side DA, then side BD divided by DC is equal to side EA divided by side AC. Now in the proof, we have to prove side AE equal to side AB so that this theorem will be proved. In a triangle CBE, when side EC intersects the two parallel sides AD and EB, then angle 1 and angle 2 are formed, which are equal, means angle 1 is equal to angle 2 are called corresponding angles. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2 is equation 1. Again, in this triangle, when side AB intersects the two parallel sides AD and EB, then angle 3 and angle 4 are produced, which are also equal, means angle 3 is equal to angle 4 are called alternate angles. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4, which is equation 2. But in given, angle 1 is equal to angle 3. From equation 1 and equation 2, we make another equation which is angle 2 is equal to angle 4. With the help of the two equations, in which equation 1, angle 1 is equal to angle 2, and second equation, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. The given equation, angle 1 is equal to angle 3, makes another equation which is equal to angle 2 and angle 4. So from equation 1 and equation 2, its given becomes angle 2 is equal to angle 4. In the triangle BCE, when the two parallel lines are intersected by the side AC and AB, then there makes another triangle ABE in which angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So the opposite sides of angle 2 is AB and opposite side of angle 4 is AE. When angle 2 is equal to angle 4, then side AB is equal to side AE. We know that when two angles are congruent in any triangle, then the opposite sides of the angles are also congruent. We can also write this statement in these words: in a triangle, the sides opposite to the congruent angles are also congruent. So side AB is equal to side AE. This is the equation will be used for the maintenance of the difference between construction and proof, which we have already mentioned that with the help of this equation we can prove the theorem. Now in triangle CBE, which we made it in the construction, if side BE parallel to the side DA, then side BD divided by DC is equal to side AE divided by AC by theorem 14.1, in which a line parallel to the one side of a triangle and intersecting the other two sides, which divides them proportionally. On putting the value of side EA the side EA is equal to side AB, which we have already proved. So the required equation becomes side BD divided by DC is equal to side AB divided by AC. It can also be written as side BD ratio side DC is equal to side AB ratio side AC. Thanks for watching the video. I again remind you, if you have not still subscribed my channel, it is requested to subscribe my channel, like it and share it, and press the bell icon button. Thank you very much.